Evo is finally back after what feels like forever.
It runs.
What is up, guys? Thank you for watching another video today. Today's finally the day where we get the Evo running after what feels like forever. I came over to Lazy's house today to pretty much finish it up, and we got the man himself.
Hey.
Got the Evo out here. He got all the parts out for me already, ready to be installed onto the car. If you guys remember, on the last episode, we actually wrote down everything that was left. So all we have left is literally the rear motor mount, bolt, put the input shaft, slap on all the bolt-ons, suspension, subframe brackets like the Cuscos, the exhaust for the downpipe bolts, put in fluids, bleed the clutch and ACD, and it should be ready to basically start right back up. So we're basically gonna kill off this whole list throughout the video. Let's see what we get. All right, so first step, rear motor mount bolt. Have 14 wrenching socket and wrench right here. As you guys see, we have the bolt on, but it's not tight, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that up real quick and we'll move on to the next step.
You can see it from here.
Bro,
Your car got lower, or did I just get fatter? I could barely fit down here.
Step one, done. Next, input shaft. We got the input shaft right here. So this is the outer part right here. So it's gonna go like that.
Alright, Miguel, what's in?
The input shaft is in. So
Awesome.
it's supposed to stick out a little bit. But yeah, it's pretty much in. I'm gonna take this off and then we'll get on to the next step.
Sweet.
Yeah, just cross it out. Press out input shaft.
Where's it at? And it is. And push it out right there. Bam.
Alright, so next is the exhaust bolt, because Lazy had to lower the downpipe to be able to fit the transfer case on there. Alright, so we got the exhaust bolts for the downpipe on. What are you doing?
We gotta put a new oil now.
Oh yeah, this oil's legit, guys, if you guys don't know. 85 compatible.
There's a fly on it.
But yeah, he blew out his lower return line.
Yeah,
His Porsche car. And you just got stay wrapped, huh?
Yeah.
Rip. Yeah, I think first is the lower. Yeah, so we're gonna focus on the underside of the car. So this includes both the bracing for the front motor mount and the Cusco braces. All right, so we got this guy. All right. And we got the bolts. Start off with this guy.
Damn.
They're old, but they work.
Car's coming together.
Yeah, we gotta do the axles. Are they? No, they're kind of different. I think one's shorter.
Okay, so which one goes?
Which one goes with?
This one is the shorter.
Yeah, I think this is the shorter one, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this one over here. Let me see.
How's it going?
Hi.
That's not my question, but okay.
You good?
Got your W40.
For what?
No, just in case
Oh.
we ran out.
Thank you.
Why am I struggling on finding the hole?
That's not the first time. Let's lube it up, bro. Right, now we're gonna focus on the passenger side axle. Axle's in. We're gonna go ahead and attach the rest of the lower control arm. And it should be ready for wheels, huh? But we'll do that last, huh? There you go. Damn, bro. Oh! You're making a mess. Damn.
See?
Yeah, all the bad stuff right there. Just like that, we have the suspension done. Now we're gonna focus on the alternator belt. We got the belt right here. If you're trying to do the AC delete on your Evo, this will be the Gates part number at your local Home Depot, not Home Depot, AutoZone or O'Reilly's. All right, so the new belt is on there. We're struggling for a bit, but
Miguel was struggling.
I was struggling. But it's on there. Now we're gonna focus on the fluids. I'm gonna go ahead and lubricate the O-ring here. And then put a little bit of oil inside to avoid any dry starts. Motor oil, this is actually really good for us running E85. They're super low key, but like they're really good. It makes your car run like cooler, better, gives you more performance. And now we're ready to put the oil on the motor. It has like a lot of additives, like it has like high levels of sync, and it's really good. Everyone that runs it like really loves it. So right, and to fill the oil on the Evo transmissions, you have your little bolt right here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. All right, so the little fill plug is gonna be a 17.
Remember, once it becomes a girl after Netflix and chill, that's when you know to stop.
All right, guys, we're getting super close. All we have left is the slave, so that way we can bleed the clutch. We also have to bleed the ACD and the bolt-ons, which go up here, which consists of like the intake, the blow-off valve. All right, so since we're going pushed out clutch, we can now go ahead and remove our slave cylinder here, and we're gonna go ahead and attach the line from there onto this. Slave cylinder delete. It's 31. So we ran into a little hiccup. The stainless steel line from the hydraulic bearing isn't exactly going in.
Not the same thread.
It's not the same thread pitch as the OEM Evo slave line. So we're kind of stumped on that. We could make the car roller though. Suspension's on. Get it off Jackson's at least. Put all the bolt-ons on. Well, most of them for the most part. But yeah, we're gonna put the axle nuts on, the wheels on, make it a roller. I hit up the guys over at Action Clutch, see what they say. I might need a new line, and if I do, I'll just get another one and then come back to it so we can finish up the car.
That's it. End the video.
It's looking a lot more like a car now. I went ahead and put the crash beam front mount. It's ready to go down. Once we do that, I'll pretty much catch up with you guys probably tomorrow or the day after in regards to the line. STM does offer the line we need. It's 50 bucks, but with this whole thing going on, the shipping times have been super delayed, so it might take like 2 weeks. It's a bit of a hiccup, but nonetheless, we made progress. I'm gonna go ahead and put the car on the ground for you guys, just that it's a roller, and then I'll catch you guys tomorrow or the next day. Alright guys, so it's currently the following day. I went ahead and made some calls and looked on STM and stuff for the last stainless steel line. STM would probably take in like 2 weeks or so to get it. Luckily, Jeff over at RPM has that very specific stainless steel line in stock. So we're gonna go to Long Beach, pick up that line, and then we're gonna go back to Lazy's house and pretty much try to finish up the Evo. So. The man, the myth, the legend. Here it is. Alright guys, so huge thanks to Jeff over at Raw Power Motorworks. I'm gonna go ahead and catch you guys at Laser now, so we go ahead and finish up the car now. Oh. There you go, it's out. Alright guys, this thing's all out. Now, we use this one. So, stainless steel line is connected from the hydraulic release bearing all the way up to the firewall. We're pretty much ready to bleed the clutch and then finish up the rest of the car. Right now it's just going to the floor, and we got the clutch bled. At this point we're ready for the bolt-ons, and we got Lazy here. So what's up? Alright, so we got the bolt-ons right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. Just like that. All the bolt-ons are on. We're ready to hook up the battery, start this bad boy up.
How does the clutch feel?
Dude, it feels super. It feels good, dude. I'm gonna drive it.
You can feel the gears?
Hold up, I'm gonna drive it.
It runs!
Alright guys, and just like that, as you can see, the Evo is finally running. Honestly, I cannot express my happiness right now. I'm super happy to have this car back after what feels like forever. I seriously missed it. I can't wait to make more videos for you guys. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to keep up with the channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.